recipes with mushrooms. I think this recipe takes the cake. This is mushroom masala. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the mushroom masala recipe, I have taken 400 grams of fresh mushrooms, cut them into slices. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next add the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, half teaspoon fennel seeds. To this I am adding 3 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. So you can see the onions have come to a nice golden brown color. I am going to add 2 large green chilies slit. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. To this I am going to add 3 large tomatoes finely chopped. Once the tomatoes have become nice and mushy, add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything well. Next add the sliced mushrooms. As you can see, I have not added any water at this point because the mushroom itself releases a lot of moisture. Close and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. So it's been about 10 minutes. So you can see the mushrooms are cooked beautifully and it's a nice thick masala. So I'm just going to add a little water, about quarter cup should do. The masala looks absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to add half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves. The mushroom masala is done. Turn off the stove and serve it hot with some nice roti by the side. This is a great masala for rotis or chapatis. So all you need to do is just make one masala and you're good to go. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious mushroom masala that you can enjoy with some rice, pulka or roti by the side. This makes for a very good lunchbox recipe and must say that it's a mushroom lover's delight. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.